This is my Emmy. Don't you just love my plywood floors? Aren't they classy? I wanted you to hear my Emma snoring. Isn't she too much? Emma! Oh, she's so cold. And she's a big monkey now too, eh? Oh, I see a tail moving. If you hear that, that's my furnace turning on. Nice, eh? So this is the sound I'm listening to as I'm entering AAR polling ballots. What an adorable thing. I love her.